Hi, welcome to my Semrush One subscription plan for 2026. In this video, I'm going to break down the Semrush One pricing plans, what each plan included, and which one is the best value depending on your business. So welcome to the SEO and Digital Tech Hub, where I share the best SEO tools, web hosting, and online business software to help you grow faster and scale faster. So let's back to Semrush One pricing plan. Semrush One has three pricing plan, which are starter plan, Pro Plus plan, and advanced plan. The starter plan is mainly for beginners, while Pro plan is meant for business that are growing and want to scale their SEO or AI feasibilities. Then the third plan, which is advanced plan, is majorly meant for large team and agencies. So now the starter plan costs $199 per month, where you are paying monthly. It costs $199 per month. Then if you are paying annually, it costs $165 per month. That means you can save up to 17%. For the Pro Plus, it costs $299 per month, and while you are paying annually, it costs $248 per month. And for the advanced plan, it costs $549 per month, and for the annual payment is $455 per month. So let's go through each of these plans and see what the feature included. For the starter plan, it includes traditional SEO tools. Then you can monitor up to 5 websites. Then comes with 500 keywords you can track every day. Then keyword research and optimization tools. Then competitor insights tools. Then also AI feasibility toolkit. So you can monitor one domain in AI performance. Then you can track up to 50 prompts. You can get access to 300 AI feasibility reports per day, and also access to AI ready site audit. So these are the features that's included in starter plan. Therefore, the Pro plans, it includes all the starter plans features plus 15 websites you can monitor. You can track up to 1,500 keywords per day. They come with historical SEO data. Then you also will have content optimization, then keyword carbonization analysis. Then you can track up to 100 prompts. Then for the advanced plan, it comes with all the Pro Plus features plus 45 websites to monitor, 5,500 keywords to track per day, then SEO share of voice, then AI API access, and 200 prompts to track daily. So these are the these are the pricing plan of Semrush One, and all the feature included in each of these plan. So to get started, click the link below this video to get access to this page. Then start your free trial. Each of these plans come with free trials. Then within your free trial, you can test on all the features. You can get access to the premium feature to ensure that you are satisfied with the plan you selected. So don't forget, click the link below this video to get access to this page and start your free trials. You can cancel at any time if you are no longer interested in continuing with the Semrush One plan. Thank you for watching.